In this video, let me show you how to fix Facebook login not working. Welcome back to this new video everyone. So if you're having issues logging into your Facebook account, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out in order to fix this issue. The first thing that you can straight away do is try to clear out the storage cache. So what you can simply do is tap and hold the app of Facebook, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You just need to tap on the clear cache option and then tap on OK. As soon as you do that, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try to update the application of Facebook. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, update the application if there are any new updates, and try to see if now the issue is fixed. If you're still having issues with it, what you can then try out is try to use a laptop or a desktop browser and try to see if you can log in using the web. If you're having issues on the web as well, that simply means Facebook is having server issues or Facebook is down currently. In this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So that's pretty much all there is. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.